Another stock that you like is Reinet, but we'll come back to you on that. JP, I won't be asking you about Reinet because we have run out of time. I'm scrapping a lot of questions that I was going to direct to you today. Let's get to your stock pick, JP.
So Roy referred to a platform company. I'm choosing a financial platform company called Adyen. It's a payments provider that's listed in the Netherlands. It's growing very strongly, very high profitability. And they used to just sit in the middle to facilitate payments, whether you want to pay with your credit card or your debit card or a EFT. They made sure that from the merchant perspective, they could accept that payment and that it would happen relatively frictionlessly, and that there would be no fraud, which is a very important part of what they do. So they are winning market share all around the world, from the US, Europe, Middle East, Asia. 1.2 trillion euros of payments went through their platform in the past year. They take 0.15% of the value of the transactions as their revenue, as their fee to facilitate the transactions. And if you're dealing with more than €1 trillion, that's a lot of money, even if you take only 0.15%. So still growing, still taking market share, very good e-commerce platform in the payment space. Adyen is my stock pick tonight.
All right. Roy, you did say that your pick today is Reinet, and maybe just incorporate this question in there. Your view on it, the pension holding, and what you think Mr. Rupert will do with the cash from the BAT sale.
So Reinet it's a specialized holding, it's a holding company, it's an investment fund. They tend to hold the investments in any one of three buckets. So listed investments, funds, then cash and liquid assets. But up until a few months ago, it was basically BAT, and Pension Corp. Pension Corp is a business that basically buys pension liabilities from companies and manages them, and manages an exchange of cash flows. The reason why I'm picking this one is that during times of uncertainty such as this, you want to pick businesses where you have a strong cash underpin, conservative management, and well, the potential of something good happening. Yeah. And that's why I think your listener is asking, what happens with this cash? I think you generally have made money following the Ruperts. They tend to be conservative investors. Getting rid of BAT must mean that they're either going to pay it out, which would be a very solid dividend, or they would invest in Pension Corp, which is a fantastic business, or take it into something else that would be equivalent to what Pension Corp is. So I think there's a valuation underpin here. I think you have conservative management. There's a discount to the value of the underlying stocks, and the track record of these investors has actually been solid over time. So during difficult times such as these, this is a reasonable place for a rational investor to hide in.
All right. Well, thank you so much for your analysis today, gents. Much appreciated. That is all for tonight's Stock Watch. Thanks to our guest, Jean Pierre Verster from Protea Capital Management and Roy Mutooni from Sanlam Investments. Up next, The Close. Stay watching.